Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your timeline and selecting the clip to adjust. This gets you immediately where changes matter. Once the clip is selected, open the inspector so you can see scale and transform controls. Make sure your clip is not part of a compound or multicam clip. If it is, detach or open it. These steps prevent unexpected nested changes later. Now that the controls are visible, you're ready to apply the actual zoom transform. With the inspector visible, change scale to a lower percent to zoom out. Type a numeric value for precision, for example 75%. Once done, add keyframes to scale at the point you want the zoom to start and another where it should finish, so the motion is smooth. Make sure to adjust position to recenter the subject as the frame widens, because scaling changes composition. Also, use the transform on-screen handles to fine-tune placement. This helps you see the how. Finish by playing back or rendering a section to confirm the zoom out is smooth and the framing stays correct. If you see black edges, check spatial conform in the inspector and switch to fit or slightly increase scale. This prevents letterboxing when the canvas is larger than the clip. If motion looks jittery, enable optical flow or use a higher quality render setting. Finally, make sure keyframes are eased for a natural speed change. These small
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.